This video is about evaluating a software tool used for planning and conducting assessment and/or presenting data. The tool presented in this video is QSR International's NVivo. NVivo is a qualitative analysis software for organizing and managing data. It works with multiple file types so you can keep everything in one spot regardless of file format. Users are able to identify patterns easier and group similar data into categories. These categories are flexible, so you can change names, reorganize, and/or store data in multiple code and case categories, themes, authors, and other attributes. While sorting through data, NVivo lets users annotate or take notes or memos directly in the source file without modifying the actual file. Users can also model data using visualization features and export these visualizations as part of NVivo's reporting feature. Who uses NVivo? Just about anyone who performs qualitative analysis research. Students, faculty, researchers, data analysts, business managers, the list goes on. How to use the tool. First, you import data files. Files include Word documents, PDFs, audio, video, surveys, images, social media, SPSS files, citation manager files like EndNote, and spreadsheets. Pretty much anything, and it goes to show how flexible NVivo is. Second, you create a codebook. I recommend skimming through your data first and note the themes that you see. Creating your outline first will save you a lot of time later, and it also makes it easier to collaborate with others who are coding files for the same or similar projects. You can also create child nodes or grandchild nodes to further sort data. Third, start coding. It is as simple as highlighting the text or clicking a point on an image and highlighting it and adding a code to it. This example is from a job analysis interview I conducted this past spring semester. On the right, the highlighted text is what I coded in the Word document. I asked the participant about their master's degree education. On the left, I have a screenshot of the code category itself, showing the file source and the parts of the text that are associated with that code category. So everything is in one spot, and I don't have to search through the Word document again. Fourth, analyze the now sorted data. Using different queries, you can create visualizations to help understand the data better. Here I queried the 50 most frequent words with 5 or more characters in 6 of my data files. There's a dictionary you can edit where NVivo won't include the words listed in it, like a, the, and, etc. Based on this image, words I could add to the dictionary are thing, think, and really. Those are irrelevant to my analysis, unlike research, data sets, and student. Finally, report the data. You can create different reports and export the visualization images to add to other reports and documents. I just wanted to throw in the banners here for reference. The Home tab has general tools. The Import tab has file types you can import. The Create tab helps you organize your data. The Explore tab is your visualization and analysis tools. And the Share tab is where you create your reports and export parts of or the whole project. Some advantages of NVivo. The ability to store and analyze multiple file types. Coding highlights. There is a certain window that you can open up which allows you to see the coded text in a file and how it is coded, like in this screenshot. I asked the participant about their background, education, and skills learned, and identified any good quotes I could use in the write-up. There is a sentiment analysis feature that helps you identify positive and negative moods of, say, the text, which is good if you want to see how people are thinking about things. It's also easy to learn via YouTube on your own. That's how I first learned software, because I missed out on some of the courses OIT offered at the beginning of the semester that I learned how to use NVivo. And speaking of OIT, it is a supported software by UTK. They provide a couple of courses to help you learn, and they can also help you with any further questions or problems that you have. It's a great student benefit to take advantage of. Some of the disadvantages I have are that I found that the auto-coding feature is not that great. It overanalyzed my text when I used it. Things were coded in multiple categories. phrases became categories. Parent nodes were also child nodes. It just got very messy. The sentiment analysis auto-coding was much worse because negative moods were also identified as positive moods, and then you had to decide what the mood of the text was. For UTK students, your license ends when you graduate, so you'll have to end up paying for a subscription to continue using it or hope that your employer provides you a license. There is a transcription feature, which is also an advantage of NVivo, but it's also a disadvantage because you only get about 15 minutes of transcription for free before you have to pay for more. And then NVivo is not backwards compatible. If you work on a project in the current version, which is NVivo 12, you can't work on it in NVivo 11 on another computer. And if you need any more help or want to get started, here are some resources. You can use OIT to download it and to take one of their courses. QSR also has a great FAQ page, and like I mentioned earlier, YouTube has plenty of videos. Thanks for watching and happy coding.